Hey everyone, I'm Josh from CBS, and today I'm going to show you three separate methods of measuring power on an analysis surface using Fred software. And to start, we're going to select New Document. We're then going to right-click on Optical Sources, mouse over Create New Source Primitive, and we're going to select Point Source Incoherent. And we're going to leave all the default settings, so just select OK. After we've done that, we're going to make our analysis surface, so right-click on the Geometry folder, mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select a plane. From here, we're going to increase the X and Y semi-apertures to be 2 and apply a shift of 5 along the Z-axis. Select OK. And then hitting the View All button, we're able to see our plane in the 3D view. After that, we're going to right-click on Analysis Surface, and we're going to select New Analysis Surface. We're going to uncheck Auto Size Data and make our min-max to be from -2 to 2, and we're going to select OK. We're then going to open the surface of our plane in the Geometry folder and open the Analysis Surface folder, and then we're going to drag and drop our Analysis Surface, which is now applied to our Analysis Surface. From here, we run our ray trace, and here in the output window, we can see how many rays were traced and where they were stopped. So from here, to measure the power, the first method we're going to do is using the Irradiance spread function. So we're going to come up here, click the Irradiance spread function, select OK. And we're not too worried about the window. We're more worried about what's in the output window. So here we can see the total integrated power on the surface is a total of 1 watt, which is what we expected from our 1 watt source. Okay, so an alternative method is to use the ray summary. So we're going to go to Analysis, and we're going to click Ray Summary, move down and select OK. And here we can see the total incoherent power on our plane surface, again, of 1 watt. And for a final method, we're going to go up to the analysis again, and we're going to select surface incident / absorbed power. And here in the output window again, we can see the total number of incident rays, and we can see the absorbed or lost power as well as the incident power, which are both the same of 1 watt. And there you have it. As always, CBS is here to support and guide all Fred users. Make sure to keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this one.